What's inside Freephone box?
Hey guys, we're going to show you what you're going to receive in your phone box when you receive it. Inside you will see the card to the customer service line. You will receive a starter guide. And the other box will have your phone. Here's an LG. And it will be the back case, as well as the battery charger. You're gonna power it on here. As you see, the phone is powering up. As you see, you'll have an easy to access power button on the rear with fingerprint capability. It has a great display on this LG phone here. As you see, the phone will be ready to go and activated. As you can see, the internet speeds are really great. It's very fast and quick.